In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ChatGPT Atlas app to transform any web article into an easy-to-read list format. This tool is particularly helpful if you're someone who likes to break down large chunks of information into bite-sized pieces, or if you're simply looking for a more organized way to absorb content. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step so you can take full advantage of this handy app. First, you'll want to ensure that you have the ChatGPT Atlas app opened and ready to go. If you're unfamiliar with this tool, it's essentially a platform that leverages AI to help you interact with content on the web in an enriching and efficient manner. Once you have the app open, the next step is to navigate to the specific website or article you want to transform. For instance, let's say you're interested in enhancing your personal finance knowledge, so you go to a website such as wantinvestor.com, specifically an article titled "The Ultimate Guide to Personal Finance." This article is packed with valuable insights, but you might find it dense and difficult to digest all at once. Now, with the article open, what you'll want to do is keep an eye on the sidebar of the ChatGPT Atlas app. What you're looking for is the option that allows you to Ask ChatGPT. By clicking this button, you are essentially unlocking the feature that enables you to interact with the AI, prompting it to perform tasks for you. This can significantly streamline your reading process. Once you have clicked Ask ChatGPT, the next step is to draft a prompt. Now, this is where you get a bit creative. You want the AI to take the article and modify its structure. So in this scenario, you could simply type something like, "Turn this post into a list format." This prompt instructs the AI to break down the post into a series of bullet points or numbered items, making it much easier to follow the key points and takeaways of the article. After you've crafted your prompt, go ahead and hit that submit button. In a matter of moments, the AI will work its magic, dissecting the article and presenting you with a neat list version of it. This can save you time and improve the way you interact with content, letting you focus on the parts that matter most without getting bogged down by large paragraphs or extraneous details. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can transform a wealth of information into a format that's easier to digest and much more visually appealing. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply an information enthusiast, using ChatGPT Atlas this way can enhance the way you consume content and help you focus on learning more efficiently.